So this one is for the dining table only without the chairs, guys. $1,049. Ito talaga yung gusto namin, guys. Solid ba? Ano to be? Tingnan nyo, oh. So, from 1,600, 50% off. So, purchase it for 800. For this TV unit lang, guys. Wala itong ano, walang ganito. Ito lang TV unit yung lalagyan ba ng TV. What's this one, Paris? A pool. How many? Tignan nyo, guys, yung pool. Remember, nung nandyan kami sa taas, ito yung nakikita nating pool dito sa baba.
Yeah, I can't wait to go for a swim tonight once we buy a new swimsuit.
Oh, very nice, guys, kasi super warm sa labas. So it's, yeah, perfect yung pool dito. Hello, Celine Winnie. Good morning, Daddy.
Good morning.
Good morning, Celine. Ate, you haven't said good morning yet.
Good morning.
Good morning. Lumabas kami, guys, kasi dyan kami stay, oh, 3rd floor. Lumabas kami ng maaga kasi kailangan nilang i-clean yung aming room. And hindi pa kami ready, guys. Tumasali pa yung buhok niya ay bed hair pa to. Binihisan ko lang ng mabilisan para makalabas kami. Kasi kahapon, nilagyan namin ng ano, please clean our room. Light na siya kaya hindi nila nalinisan. So it has to be cleaned today.
You might as well just get your nails done like this, but you look fine.
Huh?
You look fine to get your nails done.
Yeah. Ate Paris, this way, anak. We can get out here.
You have
This way. So just go up. Habang hinihintay namin na malinis nila yung aming room. Kasi itong ating baby Celine ay gusto na rin lumabas. Ayun, oh, hindi pa naanuhan. Yung pagdamit niya. No. Oh, is it raining?
Are you sure you don't have to make an appointment?
No, don't you have to.
How do you know?
Mom, been there before. It's only walking. Come on now.
I thought I was there.
We have to go back straight away, guys. Nakaalis na kami na. Umulan, Mom. Umulan. I know. Get inside. We don't want to get sick. Hintay-hintay na lang kami dito.
My corner here.
Yeah, it's actually better if you stay out there.
My corner here.
Go.
Mommy, it's corner here.
Oh no. Okay, go.
Mom,
We've got the thing here. How do you call it? Air conditioner. Silini.
why you got
Silini.
integer too?
Hmm?
You got integer too. Do you know the orange one?
Buang. Eh. Biglang umulan ba paglabas namin? Is it so?
Nah, I think it's just a quick, like, a little sun shower.
Oh no, it's still Daddy. It's still raining. Okay, we'll stay. Huh?
Good enough.
Are you sure? No, it's still up. No, we don't want baby Celine get sick. Come here now. We can stand here outside because it's warmer. It's warmer. You know, it's a little bit aircon. Yeah.
I don't want to get sick.
I know. We don't want to go to the hospital, do we?
I can.
Do we, Celine?
Why there's a nail down
Hindi
there?
pa ako nakapag, ano guys, ayos. Hindi mo na ako mapapakita. Yes, anak. What's in there?
It's a nail.
Hmm?
It's a nail.
Yeah. We're gonna go get Daddy's coffee. And are we gonna get our nails done, my love?
Let's go.
Show me your nails.
They're gone now.
They're gone now. So yung aking guys, tingnan nyo, mahaba na siya.
They don't stand there when the rain.
Nah, it's finished now.
I can see a little dripping.
Yeah, it's still dripping. We're out ulit, guys. Have a look. Very quick. Was that 1 minute, Daddy?
Yeah.
1 minute rain. Tapos ngayon, maaraw na.
Ma, are you using the taxi?
We're gonna walk. We're just going to the city, Joe. The city's just there. Oh.
Ma, do you know there's a house we just went?
What is it now?
There.
Is that our house before? I know. Yung building dyan na.
Again.
Do you wanna go there again? Nah.
I really want to go there.
See, that's our house now. That's nice.
Oh, it's got a pool.
We got a pool. We gotta go in the pool tonight. After we buy your...
But that pool is so cold.
Oh yeah, I know. The pool is so cold.
Yeah, hopefully this one isn't.
This is outside, Bob, so it's warmer. Wouldn't it? Hold, Mama.
Where are you?
Si Lini. Si Lini. Yan yung guys. Oh, na-enjoy niya talaga kapag nandun sa labas ba, oh? Oh. Have a look at her hair. Daddy, her hair is like... Give it to your sister. We have to wait for Daddy because Daddy's getting his coffee from there. See? We'll wait for Daddy. We'll do it. The next one, okay?
I really want to go there again.
Oh, this one. You can jump on it now. Go.
No,
Stand here.
I just go.
No, I'll hold you.
That's someone.
I'll hold you. See? Oh, see? Wow. Such a big girl. Babe, look at Mommy. Look at Mommy. Woo!
Wait, look at that.
Yes. She had breakfast na, guys.
Mommy.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Mine.
What did you have for breakfast?
Look, it's
Hi,
actually-
hi. You tell Tita and Tito what you had for breakfast.
I don't know.
You don't know?
Bananas and strawberry.
Banana,
Banana. Strawberry.
cereal,
Cereal. Strawberry.
milk.
Milk. Strawberry.
Yeah. Good girl.
Ah, look, it's moving down.
Yeah, the crane.
Moving down.
Yeah, they're doing some work there. It's moving.
I've never seen that before.
You haven't? Have a look at Selene.
I guess I got something, Mine. I got something in my bucket.
What is that?
Mine. Mine.
What is it, huh?
I got something in my bucket.
Oh, wow, what is this?
A lizard.
A lizard.
But I've seen a crocodile before. It was a real duck.
It's a real crocodile.
Yeah, it was so tiny and cute. It didn't bite me.
Did it bite your bum?
And it's just too little. But I didn't see any moles in the water.
No.
Yeah.
Just one?
Yeah, baby.
Okay.
You remember seeing two of them?
I remember last time. Okay. Good girl. You're silly girl. Pull, pull, pull. Pull ba, pull. There you go. Good girl. Andito kami ngayon guys sa Meyer Center. Paggawa natin yung kuko natin kasi sobrang haba na. Ayun nyo. And then Daddy will take Celine for walkies. And Ate Paris will stay with me.
How's Daddy's eyebrows looking?
Yeah, looks good.
Mommy, there it is.
Yeah, it's growing on the sides. Oh, you know where it is.
I do that.
No purple, yeah?
Huh?
No purple, yeah?
I'm gonna find something. That's a Santa.
Get the knife.
Yeah. You reckon?
Yes, knife.
Daddy, you're going now? Oh. I'll have to choose nap. That's gel nap. I want SNS.
No, I really want this one.
Okay.
Mommy doesn't want to.
Yeah, well, hi, good. How are you? Just looking at the colors for now. Thank you.
I want this.
Ah, yeah. Okay, we'll take it then.
Mommy, I really want this.
Which color, Bob, do you reckon, Bob? From there. See, that's gel. Oh, sorry, ano? Gusto din niyang pumili eh.
I want you to get gel.
See this one?
I want you to get gel.
Gel.
Get it, Mommy.
How about you, Selene? Which one? Which one do you reckon, my love?
Gel. Gel.
Which one? What, with the sparkle?
Yeah.
Really?
I want yeah.
I want a match.
Mama,
Okay, then go with your number.
I want this one.
I love it.
A few moments later.
Can I sit down here?
Okay, I'll sit down here.
Daddy's gone shopping for his daughter.
We're back in the room, guys, and you know what? We came back and it's still not clean.
Bring Celine over
Hindi
here.
pa rin nakapasok yung cleaner, guys. Lumabas kami, ilang oras kaming lumabas. Nak na?
You gotta bring...
Lalo, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, I was crying, girl. There you go, there you go.
Mommy,
Yes.
come.
Okay,
Sit
okay.
down here. Sit down.
Do you want to bring Celine over here?
Come on.
Alright. Firstly, let's get your outfit that I chose. Okay,
Wow, nice one.
and they go with this.
I
That's
want to
it.
show
Daddy shorts.
Is that cute?
Baba, so it's yours.
Is that cute?
Mommy.
Wow, that's very cute.
Would I look cute together?
Yes, super.
Huh?
Super, Daddy.
Yeah.
Nice. What size is this?
6.
Ah, perfect.
Hold on. No, don't look.
Wow, that's so cute.
This is your new bathing suit. Show mommy.
Yeah, nag-shopping si Daddy Mike while we were having our
Show mommy,
nails
show
done.
mommy.
Oh, show me your nails, Abby. Show me your nails, quickly.
And show mommy the new. Show mommy the new
That's
baby.
mine, guys. Same name.
Lizzie.
Show it to mommy properly. Model. Show it like a model. You like
Wow,
that?
that's nice.
Is it nice?
I want to collect it.
I like
Next
that.
one.
Oh,
You pull
so
it.
good.
Pull this pink one. Show mommy.
Another one. How many have you got?
I don't know. A lot.
Show mommy.
Nag-shopping si Daddy para kay Ate Paris ba?
Nice.
Way!
Hey, what about-
Unicorn!
Unicorns. Have a look. Okay. Now
That's super nice.
some of the really cute ones that Daddy got.
Ito na excited ang ama.
Okay.
What's that?
Show mommy. Bottoms.
Okay.
With your matching hat.
I look like a train man.
What?
I look like a train
A
man.
train man?
That goes with.
A train man?
That goes with this. So like that. Look, put it down.
No, they don't match, Daddy.
No, they do. It's white. It's a white. It's a white. It's a white flyover. That's when she's. That's a white. Trust me, Bob does. All right, just shut up. I got another hat for Paris.
That's cute. Let's have a look at this now. That's nice. And we bought you one yesterday.
You like that one?
I like this. I like that. Look at mommy there. Put it on. Look, mommy. Wow.
And what about this?
What else? Oh, there's lots of swimming stuff.
Mine.
Oh, nice.
Look.
That's cute, Nak. I love that. I love that. How about you, Selene?
Wait, hold on. Hold on.
Mataga ka, Nak.
No, it's because of these ones. Sorry. Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. So good.
No, I want to play Daddy.
Yeah. That's the last one. You can wear that one. That's a. Do you like the top?
Yeah,
Huh?
that's good. So she doesn't get burned when
Yeah.
she goes
And
to
some
swim.
sockies for you.
Yeah, the socks.
Yeah, and she can wear this one. Like, she can wear this one with these as well.
What do you say to Daddy, honey?
Show mommy as well.
Wow, lots of socks. That's what you need.
Yeah, so you don't have to. I love this one, Bob. So cute together. That.
Mommy?
She can even wear it with
I
that.
want to wear this one.
She can even wear it with. Where's that white one?
I want this one.
That'll look good
I
together.
want this one, Mommy.
You want to wear that tonight?
You can wear this one to now.
I want to wear this one
We can,
next.
yeah. Well, when we go swimming tonight, you can wear that, and you can wear this when we go to get our potty.
I like this one.
It's cute, yeah.
Mm.
Did Daddy do well?
Wow, well done, Daddy.
I want this
Well done. What did you get for yourself? Where's the shoes?
What was that bag?
Daddy. Look over there. There.
Let's see. That one. It's here, Babu.
I'm good at
Look.
looking it.
Yeah, I know. You're good at it. Be look at Mama. Do you like the hat?
I want to open it, Daddy. Let me open it.
Okay.
Your daddy got the shirt. And then, dang, dang, dang. The new sneakers, of course. This looks similar to the one you had, but just different color.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yep. $60.
Mm.
You like?
That's nice. Cool. There you go. Now we have to get ready kasi alam nyo, pumunta dito yung maglilinis. Pagdating talaga namin dito, kumatok sila.
Comparison this for me.
And then I said, you know, like we're here, we have to get ready because we'll go out. Akala namin kasi na maglilinisan nila while nandun kami sa labas. Late pala sila maglinis. Then now, and now we have to change our clothes so we can get ready. And we can go.
Mommy, I'm making presents.
We're making presents again. Come on, we have to go. Come on, I'll get you change
I'm making
with your nice clothes. Come on.
If I'm making presents.
We're out again, guys. Tingnan nyo, binili ko ng daddy niya ang kanyang anak. Yun yung pa-outfit natin, pa-earth na yun. Naghihintay lang kami ng Uber. And daddy's booking the Uber na. We're gonna go somewhere. Nak! Ate! Ate! To Paris, where are we going? Lupul ka.
1 minute.
Come on, let's go out. Very noisy. Nanak. Nagahirap ba?
G-Chatty.
A few moments later.
We're in Fortitude Valley now, guys. Daddy might choose to carry Celine like that. Oh, nagkalisod na. Oh, it's very hot. What did you say before, Nak, in the car? You're too hot. You want to go back to Melbourne? We'll see what Daddy says about that, Nak. Super nice, guys. Oh. Ano, furnitures. Price line.
Guess what, honey?
It's actually not hot. See, the breeze is beautiful. But Daddy's already sweating, carrying Celine. Oh, my arm is hurting. Come on. Very easy. Come on, you can catch me. You can catch me. Okay, okay. Whoever gets the orange first, the winner.
You go that way.
Okay.
I'll go this way. You
Okay.
go that way and I'll go that way.
Okay. I haven't said ready, set, go.
I win.
You want careful, there's a bike. You're a winner. You're a winner. Asa naman tala?
Try.
Oh my God, finally guys. Sa layo ng nilakad namin. Nag-Uber pa kami. Hindi kami doon dinarap ng driver sa careful anak. So kung saan gusto kaming pumunta sa baby bunting. So we're in the ngayon guys, homemaker. So everything about Uy. Come on, why are you sitting down?
Daddy.
Huh? See, I told you. Daddy left us. Quick. Whoa. Silini! May silini na. Oh, they have TK Maxx. I wanna go there too. I wanna go there too. Okay. Baby Banting it is.
Are we going there?
We go to Baby Banting nak.
Do you want me to show you our coffee table?
Ay, oo pala guys. I forgot to tell you. So, Daddy Mike has been buying furnitures while nasa lunch break lang. Nasa lunch break siya guys. So, nung lunch break niya, nung isang araw, pumunta siya dito, Eureka Furniture. Bumili siya ng tawag dito? Coffee table and whatever. What was that again? Coffee table and TV unit. Kasi gusto namin set. Binili niya is yung talaga yung wood. Oh, cool. Ayan. So that is the ito talaga yung gusto namin guys. Solid ba? Ano to be? Tingnan nyo. So from 1,600, 50% off. So purchase it for 800. For this TV unit lang guys. Wala tong walang ganito. Ito lang TV unit yung lalagyan ba ng TV. Kasi baka, yes anak. Yeah. It's cool. See, it looks old but it's, you know what I mean? That's the style. So where's the coffee table? Yeah. We'll go to Baby Banting now, honey. So this one is for the dining table only without the chairs, guys. $1,049. But sobrang laki naman ito, guys. I think, six.
Yeah, that's like too
Yeah,
much.
seaters, yeah.
There's a nice
Fine.
one over here, I'll show you.
Come on, sweetie girl. Come on. So they're having 50% off at the moment, huh? So it's, I think, hallway table. Okay, dining table. Yung gusto kasi ni Daddy Mike, guys, na 6 chairs kasi yung daw kasi kahit 4 lang kami. Yung family ko ba dito? Yeah, it's very solid, guys. See?
Huh?
Wow, cute.
You like it? Huh?
It's pretty plain, Daddy. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Like,
that's you don't. As an outdoor day.
alam niyo guys, sabi ko Daddy Mike, saan na lang kami magtingin-tingin sa marketplace. Kaya nga lang, gusto ni Daddy Mike brand new lahat.
Do you like it?
I don't like the polish. I don't like the
What
look.
polish do you like for
Like that.
outside?
See?
Oh, this one?
Yeah, but smaller than that. Oh, is that the one? Yeah. Oh wow, 1,349. Yeah, but that's the price already.
I'm saying.
Originally it was 2,700.
Yeah, it's
But
nice.
this is the look that I want. See? It's very nice. Like antique. Look, this is like really antique. Have a look at it. It looks like there's molds and everything.
I don't like it.
Yeah, I don't like it at all.
I don't like the blue.
Yeah. That's just the style, guys. But it looks like meron mold.
That's nice. And I like the seat too.
Yeah. I like that one. Pair with that one. It's nice, guys. How much is that one? The chair, dining chair is $249.51. Oh my god, isa lang. Guys, come on. And also, yeah, nakapamili na kasi kami, guys. Hindi ko lang na-vlog. Hindi kami nakapag-vlog nung araw na yun. So, nakabili na rin kami ng couch and ano pa ba, bed and everything. Come on. Yan. So, kailangan na lang siyang i-deliver doon sa sa bahay kapag nakuha na namin yung key ngayong katapusan. Do you like that chair, honey? Honey, would you like that chair? Come on, my love.
By itself.
Bye!